Quick update on the Truality Wallet.me Android app. Before any Android app can be released publicly, Google requires a closed testing period. This isn't my rule, it's a Google Play requirement. That requirement is simple: 12 testers for 14 days with the app installed. If you want to help test, here's exactly what's involved. First, join the tester group. Second, opt into the closed test. Third, install the app. Once installed, please open the app one time and keep it installed for the full 14 days. No daily usage is required. No reviews are required. No feedback is required. The only important thing is not uninstalling the app during the 14-day period, because uninstalling resets the tester clock. This step allows Google to verify stability so the app can be released properly. That's it. If you're interested, the links are on my Truality.Finance website under Join Test on the site's menu. Thank you, and I appreciate your help with supporting the Truality cause. Truality.Finance is a parent brand built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. No noise, no pressure, just tools that help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. This message was brought to you by Mr. Y, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, Truality.Legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you.